I'm often asked, what's the difference between a primary residential parent and an alternate residential parent? Well, when Tennessee adopted the parenting plans, they adopted the terms primary residential parent and alternate residential parent. And in divorce cases, those terms take the place of custody and visitation. We talk now in terms of primary residential parent, alternate residential parent, parenting time, etc. Well, a couple of years ago, the legislature passed a law that basically said that if both parents are exercising equal parenting time, 50-50 parenting time, then neither parent had to be designated as the primary residential parent, or both parents could be designated as the primary residential parent. That's a big exception to the way the law used to be. The only thing that's required of that is that both parties agree. If you don't agree, then the court has to name one parent or the other as the primary residential parent. In other words, a judge can't just simply name both parents or no parents as the primary residential parent. Well, what authority does a primary residential parent have over the children that an alternate residential parent doesn't have? Well, not much, really, when you come right down to it. Used to be the school systems would look to see who was the primary residential parent in making a determination as to what school zone the children were in, but that's not necessarily true anymore either. Sometimes insurance companies want to know who the primary residential parent is because that's the person they're going to be dealing with when they have insurance issues and payment issues. But other than that, there's not a whole lot of difference. I think people get hung up on those terms a lot when it really doesn't mean a whole lot. So, the long and short of it is, when it's less than 50-50 parenting time, you're going to have to designate one of the parents as the primary residential parent, and it's always going to be the one that has more time than the other one. If you have equal parenting time, then you have the option of not designating or designating both of you as primary residential parents.